Hello everybody, I'm Andy with Liminal Entertainment Technologies, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install StreamWeaver Lite version 1.2.0 on macOS. We've made it a lot easier this time around, so I wanted just to show you the new process, so let's get into it. So here we are on the Mac, and I am now going to install StreamWeaver Lite by taking the StreamWeaver Lite installer version 1.2.0 and double clicking on it. And what this is going to do is it's going to unpack it, and it's going to prompt us with this window here. And all you have to do is drag the StreamWeaver Lite icon into your Applications folder, and then allow it to copy over. And once you've dragged it into your Applications folder, you're going to go up to the search box. You're going to type in Terminal. Once you have Terminal open, we're going to take a look at the terminal command RTF file that came with your install. You're going to double click on that line, you're going to copy it, and then you're going to paste it and hit Enter. So the script's going to ask you for your password. Go ahead and enter the system password for the computer. You won't see the letters type out as you enter them. Then hit Enter, and then it will ask you to hit Enter again. And what this script is going to do is it's going to make sure that your Mac is optimized for the types of streams that StreamWeaver uses. It's going to use Homebrew to install the OpenSSL dependency. This is currently the only way to do it through the terminal here to make this reliable for the type of work that we're going to do. So this will automatically optimize your computer for you and install Homebrew if you don't have it, as well as command line tools for Xcode if you don't have that. And finally, it will install OpenSSL just to make sure that everything is secure and properly configured on the Mac. And you'll need a few minutes here to let it run, and then once it's completed, you'll be able to use the application. And again, you only need to run this command one time. This is the last step of the installation process. You only run it once, and then your computer's good to go moving forward. And as you can see, OpenSSL is already installed on my system, but if you didn't have that, it would grab that dependency for you. Now this computer is ready to go with StreamWeaver Lite. So all I have to do now is go to my Applications folder and run the StreamWeaver Lite program. And it will prompt you the first time that you run it that this is an application download from the internet, and to take the necessary precaution and go ahead and hit Open. And now you're launched into StreamWeaver Lite. You can continue into the application, set up your streams, and get data flowing between locations. I hope this is helpful. Let us know if you have any questions.